Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, I don't know. Today we are going to make the Bloody Mary cocktail. Now, the Bloody Mary is supposed to be like a breakfast drink. You can have it with breakfast or brunch. Some people say it's a hangover cure. I don't buy it. So let's get started. We'll make a Bloody Mary. So first we need a highball glass and we need to rim it with some salt. So I'm going to put some lime on the side of this glass. And I have some sea salt here. I'm going to rim the glass. So once the glass is rimmed, I'm going to just put it aside for now. I'm going to get my cocktail shaker here. So I'm going to add 7.5 ml of lime juice, then 7.5 ml of lemon juice. Then we have some tomato juice. So tomato juice is like the main ingredient in the Bloody Mary. So this is 120 ml of tomato juice. Now we need some vodka. So I'm going to pour in 60 ml of my Smirnoff vodka. Now we need some Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, I don't know, but we need around 3 to 4 dashes. And we need some hot sauce, so I have some Tabasco. So I'm going to have 3 to 4 dashes of Tabasco. And those are all the ingredients. Now we need to shake this with ice, so I'm going to add some ice. And we're going to shake it in our shaker. I'm going to directly pour this. I'm not going to strain it because we need the ice in the cocktail as well. So I'm going to directly pour this. I'm going to add a little bit more of my sea salt, a bit more pepper, and to garnish this with a celery stick. A lot of people put a lot of different types of garnishes like cucumbers, small tomatoes, everything. I like my garnishes to be simple, so just one stick of celery, and that's a Bloody Mary. Cheers.